How would the electric dipole in a uniform electric field? Observe the procedure. Consider a dipole AB of dipole moment P placed at an angle theta in a uniform electric field E. The charge plus Q experiences a force QE in the direction of the field. The charge minus Q experiences an equal force in the opposite direction. Thus, the net force on dipole is zero. The two equal and unlike parallel forces are not passing through the same point, resulting in a torque on the dipole, which tends to set the dipole in the direction of the electric field. The magnitude of torque is tau equals one of the forces into perpendicular distance between the forces, equals F into 2d sine theta, since Q into 2d equals P, equals QE into 2d sine theta, equals PE sine theta. In vector notation, vector tau equals vector P cross vector E.